Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at cases for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is the Phantom Black version, and we're going to take a look at some cases from Speck. We're going to do a wireless charging and also fit and finish. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now in this video, we're going to check out cases from Speck, and they're all super durable cases. You can't really go wrong. It really comes down to the form factor and the look and feel that you're looking for. We're also going to do a wireless charging test to see if they support wireless charging. We know that that was a problem with the iPhone. So here we're taking a look at several. We have the Mist, we have the Presidio Clear, which I know is Nilda's favorite if she kept her S21. We're still like, she doesn't want it. And then we have also this one, which is another clear that is fully clear. And then we have the grip. So let's go ahead and check out the grip first. Now, one of the things that's common with all of these cases from Speck, they're fantastic, fantastic cases, is they have fantastic drop protection. You're talking about 13-foot drop protection. You also have in this case, which is the grip, you have fantastic gripping technology here. And you also have microband technology too that helps with a lot of the, again, bacteria and stuff that's going on. Now I'm going to go ahead and inserted the phone here, and what you'll see immediately is that you have great screen protection, right? Great responsive buttons here. They're really pronounced. On the back you can see that your camera module is really well protected, and I really like the black treatment with the blue. I think this looks really sharp. And then you have that grippiness. If I were to take this charging puck and put it right underneath, you know what we're looking for is for it to charge, and you notice that it did give me the charge. So it's a go. Now the next case in our lineup is the Presidio Clear, and this is polycarbonate back, rigid sides, and the cool thing about this case is that you're going to be able to see the color choice, right? So if you choose a color, you're going to be able to see it. Let's go ahead and get out of this. You can see the back. Great same camera protection. Everything is identical. The only thing that changes is the look. You have also great screen protection. But what we'll do still is double check the wireless charging. And you notice that it also wirelessly charges as well. All the ports align nicely. You can see that here in the bottom. Everything is nice. Buttons are responsive. Again, your camera module is protected. And if you want to go with the unique color and you want it to show, then this is the case for you. Now the next case we're taking a look at is this Perfect Clear. The Perfect Clear. This is a sharp case. I love the color transition here. I'm not a pink guy, but Nilda definitely is. And you can see how it transitions. Same features as this one, but it has that cool look. We're going to put our phone in it just to see what it looks like. I think I got her a black one, but this is what it would look like. So you notice clear all the way to pink, same protection. And I love the transition here. Notice how it goes, this color that you see here as it goes really nicely too. So we're going to see if the wirelessly charges, and you see it wirelessly charges as well. Now the last case we're going to look at is the Mist case, and I'm telling you, this looks super sharp with the Phantom Black. I'm going to go ahead, and it's pretty much the same as everything else, same type of protection, right? Except it has that matte, I would say, Phantom Black look, or that misty look in the back. So we're going to go ahead and put our phone in it, snap it into place. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, we have it in place now. Oh, by the way, we will have Whitestone Dome glass screen protectors on the channel, and in my historical experience has been, or from a history perspective, Speck has always been compatible with it. So I wouldn't really worry, but we're going to be testing that later. Great screen protection, but look at that. Ooh, love that. I think that's hot. Looks good. Great protection all the way around, but just stealth black. Let's go ahead. Or Mist, Perfect Mist. We'll go ahead and put this right here, and it wirelessly charges too. So guys, that wraps up our review of the Speck cases for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra.